Today on Show Me the Money, 7 properties that are going to make you 12% per year. Hey bosses, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel, and this is the segment Show Me the Money. The segment on my channel where I talk about properties that generate you cash flow. And today I'm going to present you 7 properties that generate you 12% per year or more, and there's one that are a little bit less, but that's not a problem. All of those properties that I'm going to talk about today and show you and go through with you today, they are Section 8 properties. What that means. Section 8, it's a housing program from the federal government that pays the rent for families with low income. Basically, the family needs to register on the local authorities, the city, the county, whatever, and they need to prove that their income is lower than 50% of the income, the average income of that area. Once they do that, they go through a lot of other things that are evaluated, and the government can grant them this benefit, which could be 100% or partial, like 80%, 50%. I don't know, sometimes even lower than that, but the point is the part that is guaranteed, the part that the government pays goes directly to the owner of the house. Doesn't go to the family and then the family uses that to pay the rent. No, the government pays you directly. So all the properties that I'm going to present today are part of our program with investors, where we only put families that have 100% Section 8 and 3 years voucher. During these 3 years, we are going to guarantee the owner the net profit when we discount the management fee, the taxes, and the insurance. So everything that I'm going to show you, it's already net profit. And it's guaranteed, number one, by the government, that the rent is going to be paid. And number two, that you, the owner, is going to have that net profit guaranteed by the management company for 3 years. And at the end of this 3 years period, if you want to, you can sell back your properties for the same price you paid. And that's good because it gives you instant liquidity. If in the market the price is higher than what you paid for, you can sell freely on the market. But if you need quick cash, the management company can buy from you for the exactly same price you paid. So this is a perfect investment or kind of investment for people that are looking to buy something and generate cash flow without risk of losing its principal value and without risk of not receiving the money from the tenant. So the first property that I'm going to show you, it's a townhouse. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's $122,000. And this price includes everything, all the closing costs, all the costs to open your company if you want to put that asset under a company, accountant, lawyers, everything. You're not going to put extra money. Title insurance, deed registration, recording, stamp taxes, everything is included on this $122,000. So when I say to you that the net profit is 12.21% per year, it's the cost includes everything, and the net profit also discounts everything. So for this property, the rent is $1,500. From that, you have a management fee because you're going to want someone to take care of your tenants for you, and you have the tax and the insurance. The net profit every single month that is going to be guaranteed on your contract is $1,242. That's 12.21%. And remember, the same government that pays you 1%, 2% on the bonds is going to pay you $1,500 in rent, because in the end, the government is paying the rent, not the family. And there's a shortage for houses for Section 8 families, and that's why this is a great business. Here I have another one, which is 2 units, it's a duplex. I love multifamily. I love anything with more than 1 door. The more, the merrier. 2 doors is better than 1, 3 doors is better than 2, and that keep going. Don't get intimidated if you cannot buy a duplex, a threeplex, a fourplex, a multifamily. You start buying houses, and when you have enough money, you sell those houses and buy a multifamily. On my view, I prefer to have one multifamily with 4 doors that generates 11-12% than 4 houses that combine generate the same value or even a little bit higher. Why? Because it's easier to manage one property than to manage 4, 5, 6 properties in different addresses. This one is a 2-unit multifamily. It's the price is even lower than the house that I just showed you. It's $105,000, same thing, all costs included. The net profit is $1,144. This has a great return, 13%. It's a 13% return per year. So that in perpetuity is a lot of money. In 7.5 years, you'll have your money back. In 7.5 years, you're going to have your principal paid back, which is amazing to buy a new one. Here we have another multifamily, 2 units, $120,000. This is going to generate you $1,215 every single month, which is equivalent to roughly 1% per year. That's going to, 1% per month. That's going to generate you in the end of the year 12.15%. So this is also a great deal. There's another townhouse here, a little bit cheaper than the other one that the other properties that I just showed. It's a townhouse, 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom. Of course, it's Section 8. This is going to generate you $1,160 in rent and a net profit of $955. The cost of this, the investment you're going to make here is $87,500. So guys, in the first episodes of this segment in my channel, I talked to you about some kind of real estate properties that generates cash flow, multifamily, triple net lease, Section 8, and now I'm giving you the properties. I don't want you to enter my fund. I don't want you to give me your money and I'll do that for you. These are properties that you can buy today, and in 30 days, the money starts to get into your account. Your property, your name, your money. This one, in 7.5 years, you're going to have your money back. The next one is another townhouse. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, $75,000. 75. It will generate you $8,207 every single year. It's an 11% return. Don't get greedy. 11% is a great return. It's lower than the 12 and the 13, but if you didn't have those options, this would be amazing. Or if you want to buy multiple properties, just do it. But if you want to buy this and another one, I just recommend you to buy the multifamily because 2 doors is always better than 1. We have another one, $73,000. This is the cheapest that we have right now. It will generate you $731 every single month. That's 1% per month, 12% per year. $8,707 in revenue every single year into perpetuity. After 3 years, when the rent guaranteed by the management company ends, you can raise your rent and make even more money, or sell this property or go to another one. It's your decision to make. These properties that I'm showing you today, it's what makes parts of our June portfolio. It's the beginning of June. During the month, this goes away because we sell and we get other ones. So if you see those here, you want something like this, let me know, because if we don't have the exactly same property, we are having another one. And the last property, this is a pretty good multifamily, 4 units, 300 $27,000 is going to generate you 12.13%. This is one of the best multifamilies that we have for Section 8. And we don't get a lot with more than 3 units or 4. Actually, up to now, I only got 1 at 5 that a client from Brazil bought it. But this is a great opportunity also. $327,000 for a 4-plex. And you are going to make roughly just under $40,000 every single month. You can download this presentation. This particular one is in Portuguese, but I'm going to give you also the one in English so you can understand what we are doing. This is real investment, real money. I'm showing you the money. You buy the properties, you make money in 30 days, your account is going to grow. So this segment is show you the money. I'm going to show you where to get it, how to get it, when to get it, and how much you can make on your real estate investment. I'm not selling you a course. I'm not selling you advice. I'm giving you opportunities to invest. Guaranteed by the government, guaranteed on the contract with your monthly payments, and guaranteed by contract that you are going to be able to resell this property for the price you pay. So there's zero loss there for you. Download this and see you next week.